This is just starting to keep posting. Don't stop. Keep going. Hey guys. We have some PR today. As you can see, I've already cracked it open, so I know who it's from. It is from Coastalo. Coastalo is a THC beverage, and it's made with hemp-derived Delta 9. So it is psychoactive. Let's see what we got. It's wrapped up all nicely. Ooh, I got a couple cans in here. So we got red cream soda. We have a lemonade. Ooh, this one is 10 mg. We have a lemonade here. And we have grape soda. I will be trying these in my upcoming videos, so keep a lookout. If you are interested in purchasing, please click the link in my bio.